signed, sealed and delivered. RCB bulldozing their way to yet another IPL final, their fourth in the IPL.
Bang! Away she goes! Gets the Punjab Kings into the final of the IPL 2025. The second final for them in 18 years. And it'll be a battle of reds come Tuesday night. Final over. They're one ball away actually. 29 needed from 5. Yeah, good bowling. You can see them celebrating already. They know they have to do nothing stupid now. And after 18 years, it is the RCB who win their first ever title. It's taken them 18 years. And under Rajat Patidar, win the IPL. And Virat Kohli will be mighty thrilled simply because he's been there right through the wait. This is the only franchise he's played for. And you can see the teammates, they're all jumping on top of him. This tournament carries on for over 2.5 months. And at the end of it all, in year 18, it is the man with the 18 number on his shirt that will be part of a winning IPL team for the first time.
Mr. Roger Binney and Jay Shah will present the trophy to Rajat Patidar, a moment that the RCB fans will never ever forget.
RCB are champions 2025, and what a season it has been for them. Finished number 2 but ended up as number 1. Virat Kohli had to wait 18 long years to lift this IPL trophy.